Hey, there's 𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗀 So this flow gets triggered whenever someone subscribes to a list. When you click on this element, subscribe via, you can actually specify whether it should apply to all your lists or a specific list, and whether it should apply for all subscription methods or just word for one particular one, for example, a pop-up form or landing page. We can leave it as it is, but immediately after someone signs up to a list, they should receive a walk-in email. So we've got a send message action, but you can specify which email should go out to your audience. After the message gets out, you've got a wait element. You can specify once again when the next step after the send message should come. So here we've had a 1-day delay, after which we're going to send a second message. So after the second message, we've got 2 days delay. Again, you can change it to your liking. And we've got a third message that comes out afterwards. After the third message, we've got a 2-day delay to allow for all subscribers to go through this flow to interact with recommendation. And we've got a dynamic segment that checks whether these people within the flow have become customers. So we've previously created a segment over here to check whether they have purchased something. And if they have, they look through the green path. You can assign them a tag, something that will help us label them and identify them later in the future. And then we can move them to a second workflow, for example, a post-purchase survey request or post-purchase communication with some additional offers. And for the people that haven't actually purchased, so they didn't meet the criteria in this segment, we've got the negative path where we can send them another message or tag them accordingly, or move them to a different flow if you want to. That's what it is. And that's about it. That's Ebook Concierge for you. Remember that you can actually add any additional elements and actions over here by just dragging and dropping them onto the arena and connecting them through these nodes. Hope you enjoyed it. Now go ahead and publish this flow for your own brand.